Hi and hello everyone, this is Tech here with another video, and today in this video I will show you how you can get this blue tick in your account also without doing any apps and also using any other third-party materials. I will show you how you can get this legally. So before going into the video, make sure you click that subscribe button and also like my video so that it will be very helpful to me. So before going into the video, you should know that followers is not important. So accounts like Shopify Stockroom just got their verified badge when they had 350 to 450 followers. So it is not important to have more followers, you just need to have more profile engagements, profile visits, likes, comments and post engagements. To know your profile engagements and everything, you just have to go and click these three buttons here right then, and you can see switch to business account. If you click this switch to business account, you will know your post engagements, how many profile visits you have in 7 days, and also your likes, comments and more details about your post. So you can see that if you are eligible to have your verified badge using Instagram. So that is the thing what you have to know before going into the video. And also, to get more profile visits and more profile engagements to your account, you just have to put quality content in your photo. You should not just dump posts so that you won't get any profile visits or likes, comments or more post engagements to your account. So to have an post engagements, likes, comments, more, so you have to put your quality content in your this one. So to have quality content, you just post very good contents to your account, a good bio, a good follower requests and engagements to your post. If you have all these materials, I wish that you will get your verified badge very soon using this. If you want to make the part 2 of this video, just also click that like button and also click that subscribe button below that so that you don't miss any of our future videos.